Raichand chef and beyond. आज Amrita Raichand का बेटा Agastya Raichand is here.
I don't know why I agree to this.
And we are going to laugh and we're going to probably I'm going to cry. लेकिन ये पूरे सीजन का मकसद ये है कि जैसे जैसे बच्चे बड़े होते हैं, टीनेजर्स बन जाते हैं, they are getting ready for the next stage of their lives. जब उन्हें बाहर जाना होगा पढ़ने के लिए, they will be away from home. So ये बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि कुछ ऐसी dishes वो ज़रूर खुद बना सके because they have to be self-sufficient. मेरे हिसाब से तो cooking is a survival skill. And today I'm here to teach my son a few good recipes. हर episode में एक मज़ेदार recipe बनेगी जो अगस्त्या की choice है. So what is it that you want to learn? I mean, we've already established that, but आप audience को भी बता दो.
Okay, so ये एक दही और केला, दही, केला, chia seeds, honey and granola. I have it every morning first thing when I wake up. It's got a good protein source, it's healthy, and Mom obviously has to add a twist of her own because I'm a celebrity, I have to do this for the fans, da 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 da. She adds nuts and honey, but I always end up adding like 2-3 spoons of sugar, so that's fine.
I didn't know that. Behind my back?
Obviously.
2-3 spoons of sugar?
You lied to me my entire life, alright? With the cookies, so.
For your benefit.
And this is for my benefit. This is for my benefit. So before this, I had my 10th boards. I used to always wake up to chai, but a few weeks ago, my mom.
It's okay, continue. It's fine. This is the चाय की रेसिपी आप लोग ने सबने देख ली है और इतनी मीठी है मैं भी ट्राई करती हूँ.
But now I've started waking up to this dahi concoction type scene which my mom started making. It's actually good. I add sugar to make it better for me, but you shouldn't, honestly. I have to say that for political correctness. No, but I play football a lot. This is a great start to the day, and when mom's not here, I'd like to know how to make it so I can make it on my own. And yeah, so let's start.
Let's start. Okay, so this is what it looks like. ये है मैं रात को सेट कर देती हूँ and ये should we attempt? It'll fall.
Attempt one.
Attempt turning it. Don't. But almost set हो जाता है.
हाँ.
Because of a secret ingredient जो हम आपको दिखाएंगे. अभी के लिए ये साइड में चाय यहाँ पे आ गई है because आज महाराज शूट कर रहे हैं तो कुछ चीज़ों के लिए मुझे लीवे देना पड़ेगा. Okay, Agastya. So now, if you have to make this on your own, first things first, आप लोगे एक bowl. यहाँ पे क्या है? What is this?
This is dahi or yogurt.
And that's
either
your
one.
favorite,
Yeah,
right?
I love dahi.
दही हर दिन कैसे खाते हो आप usually?
Or with gur.
लंच में खाने के बाद ये दही गुड़ हमेशा खाता है, इसको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. इसलिए मैंने सोचा सुबह सुबह इसको अगर मैं दही दूंगी और थोड़ा सा और उसमें नट्स और हेल्दी इंग्रेडिएंट्स डाल दूंगी तो शायद खा लेगा. एंड मेरा ट्रिक काम कर गया बिकॉज
Not really a trick, this one.
इट वाज अ ट्रिक. ठीक है, ओके, चलो तो ऐड दही इनटू अ बोल.
Oh, this.
The faster way to do it is what? Use your common sense.
Just pour it.
Yes. नीचे से देखो ऊपर करोगे तो it's going to splash ना. Okay, so now you've added the dahi. Now whisk it. Now I'll show you how you can do it quicker because I know you have the strength. But तो whisk क्या करता है? It's just a action. And then you can just do like this because क्या कर रहे हो? You're adding air into it.
Fair.
So it's becoming fluffier and creamier.
Okay.
Now see the difference.
Yeah, much better.
Much better, right? And smoother. Now can you see this, Agastya?
Yeah.
See the way it's silky smooth. Got it? So basically this is the consistency you have to bring.
Fine.
अब एट दिस पॉइंट आपके ऊपर है आप क्या क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स डालना चाहते हैं. मैं यूजुअली क्या डालती हूँ, मैं डालती हूँ चिया सीड्स बिकॉज इट्स फुल ऑफ
Why don't we boil them first, no? Then they come like that.
no. So first of all, we'd never boil chia seeds.
I want to put in water.
Yes, very good. We put it in water so it soaks up the water and then becomes plump. But in this case, दही में ऑलरेडी काफी पानी है, मॉइस्चर है.
Right,
तो
okay.
मैं रात को बनाती हूँ ना आपके लिए,
then
तो
it
रात
comes.
को ये डाल दिया तो it will absorb the water of the dahi and that's what makes it thick and it sets like this. And now you can see ना किस तरह से
Yeah,
ये
it is plump,
सूजा हुआ है,
yeah.
it's plump. Okay, you got it. So now let's add these chia seeds to the
How
curd.
much though?
How much? Okay, that's a good question. तो हमारे ये 1 कप दही में ऐसे छोटे 3 बोल योगर्ट हमारा बन जाता है, फ्रूट एंड नट योगर्ट. ठीक है. सो 1 कप दही में आप 1 टीस्पून चिया सीड्स डालो एंड दैट इज इनफ. सो अगस्त्या, एक्चुअली दिस इज अ गुड थिंग. आई एम ग्लैड माय सन वाज कंफ्यूज्ड. आई थिंक अपने बच्चों को मेजरिंग स्पून्स और कप्स देना बहुत ज़रूरी है. घर पे भी लेट देम हैव एन आइडिया बिकॉज जो लोग कुकिंग नहीं करते हैं उनको अंदाज लगाना डिफिकल्ट होगा. तो आई विल बाय यू अ सेट ऑफ दिस. आई डोंट नीड टू बाय यू
Don't
बिकॉज
need to buy.
आई हैव एट होम. बट व्हेन यू ट्रैवल
When I travel,
I'll give you a set of
that's-
these. ठीक है. So this is 1 teaspoon. Do you want to use this
Yeah, sure. Why not?
to
Looks
take the
cool.
measurement? When you use these measuring spoons, na Agastya, you have to level them up. Okay,
हाँ,
this is the
fine,
level.
yeah.
This is a proper 1 teaspoon.
Got it.
Got it? Perfect. Lovely. अब चिया सीड्स अंदर चले गए. नाउ जब मैंगो का सीजन था तो मैं मैंगो डाल के इसको दे रही थी, लेकिन अभी मैंगो का सीजन खत्म हो गया है. अगर आप चाहें तो ब्लूबेरीज, चेरीज, व्हाटएवर फ्रूट यू लाइक यू ऐड. बट ये भाई साहब को बहुत कम फ्रूट्स
Nah, blueberries were too sour, so I wouldn't recommend that personally. But
एंड व्हाट वाज द प्रॉब्लम विद चेरीज?
I never tried. And I just don't like cherries to be honest.
टेक अ बनाना. Bananas you like.
Yeah.
Okay?
I mean,
Yeah, okay. ठीक है. Peel it.
I'm sorry, you have to deal with this, guys.
Okay, add it to the thing and then we'll mash it. Perfect. Add it. Okay, add the rest. दुखी मन मेरे सुन मेरा कहना. बिना दुखी होके डालो, खुशी
Why
खुशी
do I
डालो.
do this?
Throw this in the bin, please. Clean as you go. Okay, that's
Oh.
another good tip of
Yeah, fair enough.
cooking and working in the kitchen. चलो, आ जाओ.
You need a shot of that.
चलो, मैश करो. देखिए क्या क्या सुनना पड़ता है बच्चों के साथ.
देखिए क्या क्या whatever you said सुनना पड़ता है पेरेंट्स से.
Very good. So use another fork. It will help you. How you can
We
do?
could
Should I
have
switch
cut
you?
it before adding it to
So
be
you
honest.
should have done it. आपने बोला most logical है.
Yeah, because you
चलो देखो
wanted a
अभी.
scientific
सीखो.
shot
अरे,
to
कितना
bro.
लड़ते हैं ये बच्चे. Okay. ये लो ऐसे. एक से पकड़ो, दूसरे से मैश करो. आप लेफ्टी हो ना, तो आप लेफ्ट से करो. बच्चों को सिखाइए at your own risk. खाना बनाना तो सीख
You should
जाएंगे.
be so glad I'm doing this right now.
क्यों आपके लिए है ना ये. आपको सीखना नहीं है. आपको सीखना था ना.
I didn't. Okay.
You need to learn ना. Tomorrow when you're on your own, कुछ चीजें जो आपको पसंद है, this is the way you learn how to make it. चलो, good. अब मैं तो आइडियली हनी डालूंगी, या आप मेपल सिरप भी डाल सकते हैं, लेकिन कुछ बदमाश बच्चे चीनी भी डालेंगे.
बदमाश. Okay.
तो आपको क्या डालना है बोलो.
So we'll put honey to make sure that.
थोड़ा जोर उससे बोलो ना राजे. चलो, क्या डालना है? हनी?
We'll put honey to make sure your channel doesn't get cancelled, so your fans don't get pissed at you. But I'll be putting chini at home.
That's very bad Agastya.
It's true, now you have some
Yeah,
reputation to maintain, you know.
बकवास नहीं करो, मुंह तोड़ दो. ज़्यादा ही candid हो रहा है. चलो ज़्यादा बहुत सल कर रहे हो. स्माइली करो. बहुत बदमाशी कर रहे हो.
Carried your channel for 10 years, bro.
उसके लिए आपको बहुत गिफ्ट्स मिले हैं और बहुत हॉलीडेज मिले हैं. ठीक है भाई साहब, आजकल सुनाता है, बड़ा हो गया तो सुनाता है कि मैं छोटा था तो आप मुझे ये ऐड में यूज करते थे, ये वीडियो में, और बड़ी खुशी खुशी करता था।
Exploitation.
टू एंजॉय। अब बोलता है कि आपने मुझे एक्सप्लॉइट किया। सोचिए, फिर लिखाता है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कि आपने जितने पैसे कमाए हैं उसका कमीशन मेरे को मिलना चाहिए। काम नहीं है, हैं?
15%, and I've never seen it go to me once. That's
तो
all
आपके
I'm gonna.
पार्टीज, आपके हॉलीडेज,
I've never hosted a party in 3 years.
तो 3 इयर्स में आपने काम कहाँ किया?
No.
नहीं किया। चलो हनी डालते हैं। गुड बॉय।
But the whole thing, no.
हाँ? Are you mad?
Sometimes.
No, no, बेटा प्लीज। एक कप में about 1 teaspoon or a little more is fine.
Chai, we'll take one, any spoon. Okay.
Use the same spoon. You
No,
have
no,
a teaspoon here, Raja.
Let's put this.
मैं थप्पड़ मारना खिंच के। ये ले लो, चलो 1 tablespoon to make you happy.
This is nothing.
मेरा बच्चा।
Firstly, it's honey, so it's less sweet. And now you're making me.
अच्छा ट्राई तो करो।
That's okay.
ओ मम्मा, आपके बच्चे भी आपको ऐसे तंग कर। अगस्त्या, अगस्त्या, this is not honey yogurt.
It'll work.
This is yogurt with a dash of honey.
It'll work. Don't worry. We'll make it work. Don't worry. You're the professional. Make it work now. Give me a tissue.
No, give this away. Oh my god.
This is not much. You can still see the dahi, so you're lucky.
ये ना डे टू डे में ये इसको बिल्कुल अलाउड नहीं है, बदमाशी कर रहा है। और क्योंकि ये वीडियो चल रहा है
Trying
तो
to save.
ज्यादा कुछ नहीं ये मैं ज्यादा कुछ नहीं कर सकती हूँ। तो प्लीज इतना हनी मत डालिएगा। अगर आपके
See,
बच्चे डालें-
theoretically, we've just put around 2 tablespoons of
That's a
honey.
lot in 1 cup.
2 tablespoons of honey.
चल ला
So
पाई।
so the main
Chalo.
taste is good. Now you're
Let's-
gonna add the
Yeah, so this is his favorite.
See, this is called
ingredient.
compensation. I've put the honey. Now she has to put her
What?
things from hell.
Things from hell. These are the things that make you heavenly. इतना important है ये। इतना important है, इसमें इतना न्यूट्रिशन है। आमंड्स है और इस
These are not almonds.
these
by
are
the way.
almonds which are peeled.
These are badam.
तो बादाम का इंग्लिश क्या होता है? वैसे ये देख लीजिए भाई, एजुकेट किया था मैंने बहुत पैसे डाल के, लेकिन इसको नहीं पता है। अब मैं क्या
Wait,
बोलूं?
almonds? No, they're not.
मेरे बच्चे, अब प्लीज, अब आपकी बेइज्जती हो रही है, मेरी तो आपने बहुत
I don't care. I don't
ठीक
know
है। अभी
Hindi.
आमंड सोक करके उसको पील करके मैं यूज करती हूँ इस बच्चे के चक्कर में, बिकॉज इसको आमंड्स पसंद नहीं है। नाम भी नहीं पता, हिंदी का नाम तो आप सोच ही सकते हो। उसके बाद मैंने आमंड्स को चॉप कर लिया है। यू कैन ब्रेक इट विद योर हैंड्स और यू कैन जस्ट क्रश इट इफ यू डोंट वांट टू यूज अ चॉपर। यू कैन क्रश इट विद व्हाट?
That white thing we have at home.
क्या उसको क्या बोलते हैं? सिलबट्टा।
Silba.
And in English is called
Crusher.
No.
Oh yeah, mortar. Yeah.
Mortar and
I know
pestle.
that. I've heard of this.
You've heard of it, right?
हाँ.
ठीक है, अब इसको क्रश करके डालेंगे। बेलना अगर आपके पास है तो उससे भी
हाँ.
बच्चे कर सकते हैं। ठीक है,
Okay.
नाउ एड इट टू द योगर्ट, हनी रादर।
Need a shot of that.
यस ऑफ कोर्स। चलो बेटा, दैट्स लवली। अब ये हो गया हमारे योगर्ट में गए चिया सीड्स, हनी एंड सम आमंड्स। एंड लाइक आई सेड, आप इसमें और भी फ्रूट डाल सकते हैं। हमने बनाना डाला है, राइट?
Yeah.
नाउ लेट्स मिक्स मिक्स मिक्स। नाइस।
We have to stop.
You see, when you see, I'll tell you when to stop. When you think all the ingredients have mixed well, that's the time you have to stop. Okay? Now, a good thing is always to taste. At this point,
I can't put it back in.
then you can't put this back in, so you can use a spoon and taste to see if the sweetness is correct or not, which obviously it will be.
Won't be. Trust me. See, I'm not a chef, but I know my sweetness.
Yeah, it's too much, which is not good. ये luckily football खेलता है ना, तो सारा burn out कर जाता है sugar, but it is not healthy to add so much sugar, which is what I keep telling him. So most of the times he behaves himself. आज कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया. You wanna taste it? And banana is also adding a lot of sweetness. Don't forget. उसके ऊपर आपने डोल के डाल दिया honey.
Bananas adding sweetness.
Actually, can I make a confession?
It's not sweet enough, is it?
Not for me.
I'm
it
not
is
gonna
more than
lie.
sweet.
I know it. They don't trust
I'm
me.
just
They
saying.
don't trust me. I don't know why.
I'm making a confession. उतना स्वीट नहीं है जितना मुझे लगा था होगा. 2 टेबलस्पून गए 1 कप एक कप दही में. ये रो रहा है कि बादाम ओवरपावर कर रहा है बिकॉज यूजुअली घर में ना मैं काफ़ी छोटे छोटे पीसेस में काट के देती हूँ. तो अगर आपके बच्चे भी इतना नाटक करते हैं नट्स के लिए तो या तो उसे ग्राइंड कर लीजिए या छोटे छोटे काट दीजिए. ठीक है.
This comes after, no?
Yeah, this comes as a nice topping. Okay, to add the element of crunch. I wanted to get blueberries, but you don't like blueberries. Chalo, add it. Keeping fingers. Okay, sir.
No, we're good. We're good. I'm not doing this on purpose. This is good. This is good. This is good. Don't worry.
Okay, now balance it out on the three in the three
Oh, I've
bowls.
absolutely smashed it. She's looking over so.
थोड़ा
Don't
नीचे
be
से
this
बेटा.
scared, man.
I'm not scared. I'm just curious to see how beautifully you're adding it. पूरा भर दो. Don't waste it now. तीनों bowls को भर दो. Come on.
How have I done this so well?
So well. I'm so proud of you.
Okay, no need to show off.
Sorry, but that's because I don't want it to get wasted. Okay, we are doing good. Agastya, now use your common sense. इसको हम level up कैसे करेंगे?
I'm saying spoon.
Okay, but I'll show you a better trick.
Spatula.
No, I'll show you a better trick.
Wow, bro. It's so cool.
Smart, right?
I'm sarcastic.
कभी sarcastic? कभी तो माँ की प्लेस करते हैं बच्चे. माँ
I praise you enough, no?
Not enough. चलो, ideally Agastya, you should clean it, but I know कोई भी बच्चा clean नहीं करेगा. तो मेरी टीम बोल रही है as it is रहने दो. Pack shot clean कर लेंगे. So we're going to keep this natural and this is how you're going to put it in the fridge.
Okay.
ठीक है. तो आप एक्चुअली पूरी रात नहीं भी रखेंगे. अगर आपको खाना है तो ये 1 घंटे में बन के रेडी हो जाएगा. फ्रिज में 1 घंटे के लिए रख दो. It'll be nice and chill and set it up.
Chia seeds सूज जाएंगे. In 1 hour.
सूज जाएंगे. मैंने बोला था सूज जाएंगे. मेरा मजाक उड़ा रहा है. ठीक है बच्चू. हमारा दिन भी आएगा कभी ना कभी. चलो. Call for a tray.
August 13th exam results.
Open. Oh, no. Open this down one. Down क्या होता है?
Down ही.
हाँ ये निकालो. अब इसके ऊपर रखो.
You're trusting me with this.
Yes, I'm trusting you because eventually बेटा आपको responsible होना ही होगा. हाँ चलो. Now we'll take it in the fridge or rather you will.
Can you open the door, mate?
Yes.
You're really trusting me with this, man.
I am indeed. And there, our delicious chilled fruit and nut yogurt is ready.
Okay.
Not allowed. Okay, contract
Works. No, that's.
Cringe lines are not allowed. Anything babyish is not allowed. Okay, Agastya, now once this is ready, a lot of people like some crunch. We've spoken about textures, huh? तो आप उसके ऊपर crunch के लिए you can add some granola or any cereal, ठीक है? Or even some more fruit of your choice, right? So let's do that. And then you can end the video in the way you like, which is not cringy. Use a spoon.
Using the word cringy is cringy.
Okay then. Even using the word cringy is cringy. ठीक है. Shh. With the right. Shh.
Guys, can I leave? Honestly.
Okay, sorry.
Honestly.
Make it look a little pretty, Agastya.
How?
Put it right in the center. Or on one side maybe. Let's do. Okay then. Take it.
Looks
Not
good.
bad. Not bad. Nice. Sweet. Okay. ये उठा लेते हैं. Nice. Very nice, Agastya. Now let's end the video. Recipe is ready. बहुत ही आसान है. हमने तो गप्पे शप्पे में काफी टाइम spend किया है. End the video. Come on.
Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, as they say.
To?
I don't. Your special channel now.
माँ के चैनल का नाम भी नहीं पता है.
Is it Amrita Raichand Chef India.
There, finally.
No,
जोर
that's
से
the
बोलो.
but that's your Insta. Is it different on YouTube?
No, that's the name of my channel, Amrita Raichand Chef and Beyond. भाई साहब, बच्चे को नहीं पता होगा तो लोगों को कैसे पता
No,
चलेगा?
I'm not even on Insta, so I don't see.
Yeah, that's
so.
good. My son is not on any social media yet, which I'm very happy about. Okay, now again, tell everybody.
Please like and subscribe. Thoda sa my dignity will get saved if you do. Like used for a good reason. Make my mom happy, and thank you so much for watching.
Okay. Did
How
I
many
say
more of these?
7 more.
7?
Yes, we're gonna make 8 beautiful recipes. One will come
Oh,
out every week.
dear God.
We are on a brand new season of Theodore Magic. Okay, Agastya, now time to eat. After every video, I do a nice eating shot
Of course.
so that people can kind of feel the taste with my expressions.
From a YouTube video, okay.
Yeah, when we see the expressions, कभी-कभी आप देखते हो ना screen पे, फिर आपको देख के same, you see something nice and you feel it. You feel like you're in that moment. Okay? Do not look embarrassed. Now we're going to eat.
Okay.
And by the way,
Yeah.
हर दिन, every night now you're going to set it. Huh? No Sanju Didi and no Mama. Done deal? Now let's eat.
Let's try this.
Let's try this.
It's actually not bad.
Well, you made it. It should be good.
Yeah,
Okay.
it shouldn't because I made it.
Bye.
Some genes don't pass down.
They always do. And when you have a good teacher, you will learn well. Okay.
So that's why I'm not learning well now, I guess.
बदमाश ना बदमाश ये लड़का बोलते जाओ बोलते जाओ बोलते जाओ आई एम एंजॉइंग द मोमेंट आई एम सो हैप्पी आज मेरा बेटा फाइनली ये कर रहा है और मैं उसे सिखा रही हूँ एंड बहुत अच्छी अच्छी रेसिपीज भी बनाती जाऊंगी और सिखाती जाऊंगी आपको भी मेरे बच्चे को भी एंड लेट्स ऑल एंजॉय द मोमेंट चीयर्स यम्मी
It's actually good. I'm impressed. I don't know how I've done this.
Like you said, you have good genes. Like you can play good football. You can cook well also. Yummy.
Trust me.